about having your own business. So, Ryan, tell the lovely people about yourself, what you do, and what is your business name?
All right, so I am a sports massage therapist here in San Antonio, and I travel to different states working with different athletes for their competitions. My business is Mobilized Beast Therapy, and we work specifically with sports related injuries, preventing them, and rehabbing them. So it's more of a manual therapy and corrective exercise base. So
Okay, great. And how long have you been a therapist?
I've been a therapist for 3 years now, but I've been practicing in this realm for about seven.
Awesome.
So I
And you,
worked under a chiropractor for several years before he's like, hey, you have to get a license to do this. You can't work under my license anymore. So,
gotcha.
yeah.
Okay. So today we're just going to talk about client focused things. So we're just going to talk about getting that clientele, how to get the clientele, and how to hold on to that clientele. So,
Very important.
yes, it's very important. So once you've established your business name, you've got a business email, you have cards, you have all your marketing stuff. Everything is in place that you need to start your business. Once that's done, now you need to get the clients, right? Okay. So tell us, Ryan, about your experience and your nuggets of knowledge with how to get clients and how to pretty much try to keep them.
Okay, well, I'll try my best. So, my thing that I've worked, the thing that worked for me is being a member of the community, doing volunteer work with things like Camp Gladiator, um, any type of athletic event, just setting up either chair massage or table massage and offering free work or just getting tips. That has always been something that's worked really well with me, working with the American Heart Association as well. So finding a way to do community work with the church, something that resonates with you specifically. So it's not something that's a chore or something that you're trying to get networking at, something that you just enjoy doing.
Mhm.
That's always been something that's helped me. Also, going to gyms, chiropractor's office, physical therapists, and just being able to volunteer and set yourself up with their coaches, with their trainers, people that are big in that gym, and working specifically with them, sponsoring them, even saying, hey, I'll give you some free work. You boast me up, you shout me out. That's always worked for well with me, and that's actually how I got started in the gym. That when I was licensed, I had a um, I had a large clientele before I was even licensed, because the person that I sponsored, he was the world's strongest Latino at the time, and I was just helping him out because I was finishing up school. And as soon as I got licensed, he's like, hey, this spot opened up in my gym. Do you want to check it out? And we just started running with it. And then a few months later, I was traveling all over the country, working with him, and then working with people that were smaller athletes as well. So the biggest thing is making sure that you are getting yourself out there with the clientele that you want to work with, making a name for yourself with those people, giving them value, and then making sure that you're keeping them um, informed with plethora of information. So if they're dealing with certain things, make sure that you're checking on them. Make sure that you're focusing on the athlete,
Hmm.
and treating everybody like an athlete
Yeah.
if that's who you want to work with.
Okay. Yeah. So no, that's very good information, and it's so true. But one thing also is deciding on your clientele, also, right? Because
Yeah.
that's really important to do, and deciding on who you want to work with and go that avenue.
And then find the people that are in that exactly what you're saying. If you want to work with cancer patients,
Hmm.
don't go to the gyms. Go to the oncology doctors, go to oncology centers,
Hmm.
and you'll be able to find your clientele or people that work with your clientele. Because if you've done corporate massage, you can find anybody that wants massage, and whatever clientele that you want to work with, you can find plenty of people that work closely with that.
Yeah.
So just find that clientele and just hammer it. Do every single which way that you can get into that clientele and offer free things or for tip things,
Mm-hmm.
because people, one, feel they feel guilty when you offer them free stuff and you actually like that work, especially you getting just out of school. You're not going to be very good at massage. So the more hands-on experience you get, the better you get.